You're watching Score's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we'll talk about battery replacement using the all-new Lockboxes coming in July. One of the coolest features of the brand new Lockboxes is they allow you to replace the batteries without the use of a power paddle. Each new Lockbox comes with an external port that you can use to replace the battery. Each external battery replacement kit comes with a combination pick and Phillips head screwdriver, an external battery holder, an extra rubber power port plug, and an included battery replacement pocket reference guide with these instructions. First, remove the existing rubber power port plug with the pick tool. Second, replace CR123A batteries in the external battery holder following the polarity symbols correctly. It's important to use only SentriLock supported batteries. Next, insert the battery holder plug into your exposed connector on your lockbox. After that, open your lockbox by either inserting your Sentry card or by using your mobile device with Bluetooth. It's important to note that Bluetooth-supported smartphones can do this, and no cell phone signal is necessary. Next, remove both Phillips screws that hold in the battery cover. And finally, remove both batteries in the external battery holder and use them to replace your CR123A batteries in your lockbox following the polarity symbols correctly. Replace the battery cover, tighten the screws, and you're all set. That's battery replacement with the latest version of Lockbox, and that's today's Tech Tip Tuesday.